Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A24. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter lock screen. Go to screen lock type, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks and 2 biometrics. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with 2 non-security screen locks, which is none and swipe. Next, let's select PIN number, and to create it, enter at least 4 digits. Next, let's select password, and to create it, enter at least 4 characters. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create it, connect at least 4 dots. Once it's done, let's proceed to biometrics. Our first biometric is face unlock. Let's select it. And now simply scan your face via front camera. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select fingerprints, and now simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. And now you can use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.